Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about padding, and padding is just internal space, internal difference between content of some element and border of that element. Pretty much opposite thing from margins. Margins are like external stuff, paddings are just internal stuff. So first let me fix this code a bit because the page looks monotone. I'm gonna set something for background, like a body, and the background will be light blue, let's say. Light. Something is happening with my keyboard with a T button. Right. And let me fix this border, like a border color. I want to have it red. And also background for content will be yellow. So this is internal color, of course. There you go. So now we have something to work with which is not monotone. Okay, paddings. So how to set 4 sides automatically? You probably guess how to do that. Well, padding and let's say 5 pixels, and now you will see a slight change here all over the place, all 4 sides. There you go. Okay, so what about 25 pixels? Can we do that? Well, sure. Now the space will be huge. And if I try to resize this thing, because we have width of paragraph fixed, nothing will change like internally in a paragraph, but it will change, of course, outside. See? Because margins are auto, so that external space will be changeable, but paddings are fixed. So here's a question: how to have your padding like responsive, like well, let me type that. If you type, for example, padding 10%, then padding will be automatic. It will resize over time. It will be kind of ugly, but you know, it will resize. If you need it for some reason, you can use pixels, of course. Sorry, percents, but pixels, well, I don't know. Pixels like kind of shirting, so 50 pixels. You get the point. The pixels are fixed. Right, so can you set different paddings around content? Well, sure. So let's target this thing right here. So let me revert to like a normal operation. Right? So this thing here between border and this line. Padding top will be 5 pixels, slight change. Refresh, there you go. And a little bit of space here. It's kinda nice. Okay, padding for right side will be 10 pixels right here. There you go. Content will align internally. Padding bottom bottom 25 pixels. That's a lot, but still, there you go. And padding from left will be 50 pixels. So let's see what's gonna happen with content. Pretty much it will align internally. Okay, so can we use like a CSS one-liner for padding? Well, sure. Why not? Let's put this in a comment section. And padding. Now you don't need to say top, left, right, whatever. We'll just observe things from a top first. Same stuff when you're working with margins and styles and colors. So top, right. 5 pixels from the top. I'm gonna track these numbers here and I'm gonna get the same result. So first I have 5 pixels here, then 10 pixels for right, 25 pixels for bottom, and 50 pixels for left. And there you go, guys, pretty much same result as a couple of seconds ago. And if you are really wondering, is that the case? Well, I'm gonna comment this thing right now, and let's uncomment this thing. So these 4 lines will be operational, but the result will be totally same. See, there you go, no difference. So it's totally up to you what you're gonna use. If you have just top as a target or left as a target, then you can say padding top or padding left. But in most cases, if you are dealing with 4 sides automatically, then you will just, use CSS one-liner for padding and many other things in CSS. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Nothing special here, and as always, see you next tutorial.